Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right on Ghana 7 TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. There was some former last week, and a National Council of the MPP Koshai or Alisa Hotel. And in that meeting, they received the Professor Okwe committee report about what caused the election loss of the MPP in 2024. Now, aside the report being submitted and then for deliberations to begin around it and for solutions to be found and to be implemented to better the chances of the MPP in the 2028 election, also some decisions were arrived at. One of the main decisions that were arrived at is the party must do a thank you tour. Now, thank you tour is very, very important. Obi obi sani unsa na thank you tour. Because during the thank you tour, the people, okay, might decide to even approach some of the leaders and all those things to tell them even from themselves firsthand why maybe they did not go out to vote or why they voted but voted against the MPP. All these things are very much needed in the rebuilding of the party. Aside that also, the thank you tour, it will help the party also to re-energize its base. Because as I talk about obiya da or party name. Obiya da, like nothing really is going on. Everybody has been waiting for the Prof. Okwe report. Now report now, but what is next? Nobody knows and all those things. So the thank you tour will provide the opportunity for MPP party to get their people together, our people together, play some small song, re-energize, reconnect, and then boost the morale of the grassroots. Very important because to say there, Ayakasa morale is very, very down. The morale is extremely down. We shouldn't be so. So thank you, Tao, will help revive, re-energize the people. Okay, now thank you, Tao, a marketing strategy. Yes, because people are not part of the MPP, but already they are seeing how NDC is messing up. Yeah, we are all seeing it, are we not? We are all seeing how NDC is messing up. We are all seeing how clueless NDC is. So if MPP decides to do a thank you tour, neutrals be wahwa, and I say some floating voters are there who will come and join MPP. Once they come to the rallies, the thank you rallies, the churches where we will go and thank God for how far He has brought us and all those things, those people will get to know the true message and the true intent and the true representation of the MPP. And once they are given those informations, they might decide to permanently side with the MPP. So the numbers will start increasing from our base, which will give us favorable outcomes when we go into the 2028 election. And then in everything, you must give thanks to God. Bible nekaye. You must understand, say, MPP a right-wing political party. Now, right-wing political party, they are the group of people who believe, say, in everything there is God, and that God is the one who gives increment. So right-wing political party, right-wing ideology believes in the existence of God. So we must thank God because campaign, it was not easy. Traveling throughout the 276 plus constituencies in Ghana, by road, by air, and the others using ferry and all those things. And then we did not hear of mass casualties and all those things. We did not hear of rallies where people gathered. Now be the bomb because people go for and I say maybe a stampede and people have walked on other people and people have died mass and we have not heard of any of those things. And it's saying for Seda any ayeyi emanya coupon. And the thank you turn there is in the right direction. Now the party and 21st April, the party has released the itinerary for the thank you tour and as a date and where the thank you tour bus will be to thank Ghanaians. So this is it from the party's headquarters. Is under the letterhead of the new Patriotic Party. A reference to Nsu or Kama, for immediate release. Now, this is the title: NPP 2024 presidential candidate and party leadership embark on nationwide post-election thank you tour. The 2024 presidential candidate of the NPP, His Excellency Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, together with the national leadership of the party, will embark on a nationwide thank you tour beginning Wednesday, 23rd April 2025. And Wednesday we are at the party's headquarters. The tour, which was approved by the National Council, is intended to convey the sincere and heartfelt appreciation of the party and the presidential candidates and the campaign team to the rank and file of the party as well as the general public for their unwavering support, encouragement, and commitment throughout the 2024 electoral period. The tour, anchored on the theme in all things give thanks to God, which is 1 Thessalonians 5:18, will culminate in national interfaith thanksgiving services that include both Christian and Islamic religions, fostering a spirit of gratitude and reflection. And to win a timetable, kindly find below for your attention. First region, I'll make thank you to a Western region. So Western region, it will be on a Saturday, 26th April. 26th April, Saturday, where the thank you tour bus will be in the Western region with Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia. Then followed by Western North. Western North will be visited on the 27th of April. Ahafo will be on 28th, Monday. Bono region will be on 28th and 29th, Monday and Tuesday. Ashanti region will be from 29th to 1st May. So from 29th to 1st, 29th, 30th, and 1st May. Ashanti region, thank you tour. Bono East will be Friday, 2nd May. Savannah will be May 3rd. Upper West will be May 4th. Upper East, May 5th. Northeast will be May 6th. Northern region will be May 7th. Then OT region will be 7th and 8th, Wednesday and Thursday, May. Volta region will be 8th May. Eastern region will be 9th and 10th May. Greater Accra will be 10th to 12th. And then Central region finally is going to be on the 4th of June. Central region is going to be 4th of June. So from May 12th, there's going to be a long gap until 4th of June. That is when they will hold the Central Region 1. So that is the update on the thank you tour from the New Patriotic Party. The rank and file of the party will be there. The New Patriotic Party, the elephant, is a winning symbol, and we shall win to save Ghana. This has been the Political Rant with me, the voice right on Ghana's first blogging channel on YouTube, Ghana and SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And then bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.